Alright, the Milford Sound Lodge. There's only 2 places to stay in this very small area. The other is booked by a private walking group thing. These are the cabins that are like $250. I'm in those tent/vehicle camping sites. There's a little kitchenette, blah 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 area over there, but that's just all whatever. There's the restaurant. Let's see if I can go over here. I think that. That's cool, only you can't get to it. How do you get down there? There must be a way. I guess it's this way. Okay. Well, that's it.